Welcome to this tutorial on how to copy text style on your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. In the following instructions, you will learn how to seamlessly replicate a text style from one section of your website to another, ensuring consistency and saving time on formatting. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website landing page. Once you arrive at the main page, your first task is to locate the login option, which you will find at the top right corner of the screen. This location is standard across WordPress sites, so if you are working on multiple projects, you can always look there to sign in. After you click on the login button, a new login interface will appear. Instead of manually entering your credentials each time, WordPress offers a simpler method by allowing you to continue using your Google account. Select the option that says Continue with Google. When you do, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Make sure to pick the account that has the required permissions to access and edit your site. This step not only streamlines the login process, but also adds an extra layer of security as you are signing in through a trusted platform. With your account selected and the login process complete, you will then look for the Quick Links section on your WordPress dashboard. This section is designed to provide easy access to various functionalities on your site. In this case, you need to locate and click on the link labeled Edit Site. This action will take you to the site editor, where all the design and content modifications are performed. Now that you are inside the site editor, focus on the section where you want to copy the text style from an existing paragraph. A helpful visual guide is provided in the original instructions. Look for the image that shows a sample paragraph. Click directly on this paragraph to select it. Once clicked, you are ready for the next step, which moves deeper into the styling options. Within the editor, find the navigation bar where you will notice 3 dots arranged in a circular pattern. This icon indicates additional options and settings that are not immediately visible. Click on the 3 dots to open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will find the option to copy styles. Selecting copy styles will allow you to capture all the formatting and design attributes from your selected paragraph, which can later be applied to other text elements on your website. By following these instructions carefully, you ensure that your site maintains a unified design by easily replicating text formatting. This shortcut is particularly helpful when you have a consistent typeface, color, or paragraph style that you wish to use throughout your website. In addition, by using the built-in features of the WordPress site editor, you reduce the need for manual coding or using third-party plugins, which can simplify the management of your website and improve its performance. This step-by-step guide provides you with a clear and efficient method to maintain consistency in your website's design. Now that you have learned how to copy the text style, you can apply these techniques whenever you need to update or expand your content. Enjoy a smoother editing process and a more visually appealing website with these simple steps.